Hey, this is Jeremy with Audi Temecula. I wanted to let you feast your eyes on this beautiful one-owner trade-in we just took in. This 2014 Mustang Convertible. It's only got 42,000 miles. Looks like absolutely brand new. It's got brand new tires on it. In fact, we put these tires on it, so tires don't have 10 miles on them. Absolutely beautiful condition. There is not a dent or door ding anywhere on this vehicle. Very, very clean. Really rare that we get a 5-year-old vehicle that is in such great shape. Always kept in the garage, the previous owner told me. And as you can see, they chose the far out spots in the parking lot because literally there is not a dent or door ding anywhere on this beautiful Mustang. So with summer getting ready to be upon us here in the next month, right now is the time to get yourself into that new convertible you've always been dreaming of. And what better than a beautiful red Ford Mustang? This thing is so beautiful. It's in like new condition. The price is absolutely insane for the value that you're getting. The interior looks brand new. The back seats in this thing, yeah, this thing is just incredibly clean. I mean, literally not a mark anywhere on those back seats. I don't think anyone's ever sat back there. And then the front seats are just as nice, as you can see. Catching a little shade there, but as you can see, I mean, they're just beautiful. This car was maintained so well. Like I said, it was a garage queen. It was always kept in the garage by the woman that owned it. And just beautiful. Brand new tires. Take a look inside. You've got the airbags in the seats here, as you can see. Of course, front airbags. Just such a nice car for the money. As you can see, everything inside, beautiful. Of course, you've got the electric top. So let's just let's check that out real quick. Let's hit the button here and close this baby up. So much better than a manual top. Just hit the button, up it comes, and there's your shade. However, honestly, in this car, I can't imagine you're going to want to be doing much with the top up. This is the only little manual part here. Just click, click. Let's take one more peek at the outside with the top up, and then we'll take it for a little quick spin around the block. Yeah, beautiful car. The top, I don't know if this is a new top or if they just kept it. I mean, the top's beautiful. Like I said, it was always garage, so that would probably explain that. The most it's probably been outside is the last week that I've had it on the lot. So beautiful. So if you're looking for some summer fun out here in Southern California, I'm located in Temecula. Feel free to give me a shout if you want to come by and give this baby a test drive. This is a dealership, so I do have financing available for any and all. Of course, special discounts for military. So we appreciate everything that you do for the country. But let's throw this top back down and just run this baby around the block real fast. Okay, and then there we go. Hit a button and back up it goes. Nice. So now we are ready to hit the road. Off to the beach we go. A little quick start. And you know, since this thing's got the 6-cylinder engine, check out the miles per gallon. Of course, that's just the stated miles per gallon. Usually you'll get a little bit better than that. Most manufacturers tend to try to be pretty conservative on what they have their mile per gallon ratings at. So as you can see, it starts right up, runs great. Again, 42,000 miles. How can it not? It's like a brand new car. And I know 42,000 miles is very low for the year of the vehicle. But more importantly, this car was just maintained immaculately. It literally feels like driving a new car. And granted, there's some of you out there that might want the power of a V8, but honestly, just for a fun, economical car to cruise around Southern California for the summer, I'll take the V6, man. 30 plus miles to the gallon for all those trips back and forth to the beach, and then when you need to go, you can step on it, you can see it's got some power. Fun car. You know, if I didn't already own a convertible, I would probably buy this thing just to have a second car in the garage. Maybe you already have everything you need to drive for your daily commute, but you're just looking for a fun weekend car. At the price this thing's going for, you could just stick this thing in the garage and make it your fun weekend trip to the beach car. So, now that we're off of the lot over there, I want to just walk around it one more time. And then I'll put it into this video. My phone number is going to be posted below the video. My name's Jeremy. So feel free to give me a shout if you have any questions at all, or if you'd like to come out and take it for a quick spin around the block. But again, just beautiful. I mean, literally not a dent or door ding anywhere. Brand new tires, beautiful red convertible. What better way to spend your summer than cruising this baby up the California coast, you know, all the way down from Southern California, head up through Big Sur, Monterey, with the top down the entire way. At the price this baby's selling for, you could buy it for this summer, sell it at the end of the summer, and just have had a blast for a very small amount of money. So there you have it. Like I said, my name's Jeremy. I'm over here at Audi Temecula, but my phone number is in the video. This is a one-owner vehicle, and the woman that owned it took immaculate care of it, as you can see. Give me a call today. You know, like I said, brand new tires, tons of tread on those babies. You're not gonna have to worry about anything. All the maintenances and services are up to date. So this is just sign and drive. So give Jeremy a call at Audi Temecula today, and let's set up an appointment for you to come and drive this beautiful Ford Mustang 2014, 42,000 miles, in immaculate like new condition. I mean, even the thresholds to get in, there's not all the scuffs that you normally see on vehicles. This thing is just, I mean, it's like a show car. This thing's beautiful. Thanks for watching. If you're ready to hit the sun and cruise the highways with the top down in this beautiful Southern California sunny weather, give me a call. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.